When two objects rub against each other, a frictional force occurs between them. So friction comes from the interaction between two surfaces. Even two surfaces that appear to be completely smooth have tiny irregularities in them, and they interact and the particles rub together as they move past each other. For example, when a box is being pushed along the floor. The work done against friction causes heat to be lost to the surroundings. So friction opposes the motion of the box. So when there is friction against the floor, kinetic energy is converted to thermal energy in the box. The box then warms up, and heat flow occurs to the cooler surroundings. So work is constantly done on the box to keep it moving, as we have to replace the energy that's been lost to friction. But is there a way we can reduce the effects of friction? Lubrication is the process of applying a layer of fluid to a surface to reduce the effects of friction. For example, oil and grease are applied to machines and engines to allow them to run more smoothly. This reduces wear on them and allows them to last for longer. Looking again at the box example, if we add a layer of grease to the surface, this reduces friction. The fluid layer works to fill in the gaps in the irregularities in the surface to make it smoother and reduce friction. This leads to a reduction in heat loss, as less work is done against friction. But how useful is this? Can we perhaps use it in industry? Lubrication can reduce energy losses in machinery. So for example, we lubricate gears. Gears are easier to spin when they're lubricated as there's less friction between the gears and the pivots. This means less energy is required as there's less heat loss. There are lots of examples of machines that are lubricated. For example, in a car, engine oil is used to lubricate the pistons and allow them to keep moving smoothly. This means a vehicle can run at a lower temperature and it saves us on fuel. You don't need to know these examples of how lubricants are used for your exam, but you might need to describe how it's used when a system's given to you. So it's clear to see why businesses might be interested in using lubrication on their machinery. There's less money spent on electricity and also running costs.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!